Preserve your brakes, improve stopping distance, and maintain safety while towing with the SafeAll Remote Brake Assist, formerly known as the Brake Buddy. This innovative supplemental brake actuator is designed to be secured inside the cab of the disabled vehicle, working in tandem with the tow truck to ensure compliance with federal law. Federal regulations require combination vehicles in a tow-away operation to decelerate at a rate of 14 feet per second and, from a speed of 20 miles per hour, stop within 35 feet or less. The Remote Brake Assist from SafeAll helps you meet these requirements. The brake actuator is connected to the brake pedal and secured by claws to the steering wheel. For added security, a separate steering wheel lock is required to prevent the steering wheel from turning and dislodging the actuator under tow. Air is supplied to the actuator by a hose connected to the rear of the heavy-duty wrecker. As brakes are applied on the wrecker during the tow, air from the service line causes the actuator to apply brake pressure to the pedal of the towed vehicle. This system works seamlessly with both air and hydraulic brakes. Experience the difference in safety and performance with the SafeAll Remote Brake Assist. Visit SafeAllProducts.com to learn more.